Hi, in this tutorial I'm just going to show you how to manage your users. So go to settings up here and settings, go to team members, and you've got a list of team members here. There currently is only one team member, that's the super administrator. Click the plus icon here to add a team member and fill out this form. However, it says you need to update your subscription to add more seats. Click here, or we can click subscription here. Now in your subscription it says there's only one seat, and so that's one user, and that's currently the super administrator. So to add another user you need to purchase another seat. So to do that you click manage subscription, and this takes you to the subscription portal, which is managed by Stripe, and you'll see this button here, update subscription, and increase the number of subscriptions to 2, and click continue, and then subscribe and pay, and that will update your subscription or the number of seats to 2, or whatever number you did. It should update here, so it says seats 2. So I'll just wait for the page to finish loading. Okay, and if we go to team members, click this. Yep, and we can see we can add a team member now. Choose different roles, administrator or recruiter. I'm going to use recruiter. Administrator has higher permissions, so I'm going to click invite. Okay, and Michelle should receive an email shortly with the email invite. So there you go. You've been invited to ATS Pro. Click here to set your email. So let's click that. Oh, I always forget this bit. I have to log out of this first. So if you do that, if you're going to do what I do, and you're already logged in, that could cause cookie issues. So you need to then clear your browser history cache rather, so which is a bit of a pain. Or cookies. So let's see if this will work out. Reset password. So so this will log Michelle into the CRM. Okay, great. Now, if she goes into settings, she won't be able to access any of this subscription stuff because she's not the administrator. So let's sign out of this and let's log back in as the super administrator. I'm going to have a look at a couple of things regarding the subscription and team members. So wait for this to finish loading. Okay, so now if we go to settings and subscription, we've got 2 seats and we have 2 team members. Again, if we want to add another team member, we need to buy another seat. We're not going to worry about that right now. Now, if you were to, say, change your subscription and decrease the amount of seats to 1, say, what happens to that user that we added. So let's have a look what that looks like. Okay, so you have one seat now, and you just need to wait for the page to finish loading. Okay. And go to team members, and it says team members have been deactivated as there are insufficient seats. Please delete team members or purchase more seats by updating your subscription. So could delete Michelle because Michelle won't be able to log in to the system, so she's deactivated, so she can't use the CRM while there's 2 users but only 1 seat. Now let's say you've got more users. It will work out the difference between the number of seats and the number of users, and whatever that number is, it will deactivate that number of users, starting with the most recently created user. So that's how that works. And then if you wanted to, so you could delete Michelle, or if you wanted to, you could go back into the subscription and increase the amount of seats, and that will reactivate the deactivated users, depending on the number of reactivations will depend on the number of seats that you've increased your subscription by. So let's just see that in action. Okay, it's got 2 seats now. So when the page is finished loading, we should be able to see, hopefully, that Michelle is now reactivated and she will be able to log into the site again. Okay. Great, so Michelle is now active again and she can now use the CRM. So that's how members work. So you can add team members, but you need to have the appropriate amount of seats. If there's a difference between the amount of seats and users you have, then users can be deactivated with the most recently created first. So there you go. So thanks for watching. Take care.